YouTube videos not showing on channel homepage. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix this issue. So you can see this is my home section but no video showing but I already uploaded a video. When I click on videos, the videos is appear, but when I click home again, the video is not showing. Here is showing organize your channel. Go to YouTube on your computer to set up channel section. So what can I do? So open Google Chrome browser and log in. I already log in. After that, click on your profile picture icon on the right upper corner and then click on Creator Studio. Here you can see the option View Channel. So click on View Channel and here you can see the little gear icon. So click on it and enable customize the layout of your channel. If it was turned off, turn it on and click on save. And then you can see the option add a section. So click on add a section and here you can see the option content, select content. So click on select content and here you can see the many option. So you can set what you like. I set it to popular uploads and then click on done button. Now go to your YouTube and you can see this home button is still not showing videos, but refresh your page for 2 and 3 times and after that upload videos in showing in home page. But before that home page not showing your uploaded video. So in this way you can fix this issue. So hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.